can the Unity Partner Program help maximise returns for F5 partners?
So Unity in its current form requires a revenue value and a skills capability. But once we accept a partner into the Unity program, F5 will work with that partner in order to drive value through their services into the customers and protect that partnership. So for example, things like deal registration. Deal registration allows the partner that we're working with to have a 15% differential in commercials from anybody else. Things like building skills with an organisation. We'll use enablement funds and marketing funds to help build the capabilities that then become a sustainable F5 business within the partner's organisation. And also partner support. We encourage partners to take on the F5 support capabilities and deliver that to the customers. And we reward those partners quite healthily for doing a good job in there. For example, there's a European partner that are enjoying $1 million worth of rebate a year based on just delivering a good support service. So there's certain things that we do within Unity that's completely designed to maximise the return on investment for a partner.